Bricks from Karimnagar are known for their quality and durability. They are widely used in construction projects in the region and are generally considered to be of good quality. However, the quality can vary depending on factors such as the manufacturing process and the specific supplier. If you're considering using Karimnagar bricks for a project, it's a good idea to do some research and possibly even request samples to ensure they meet your requirements. Using Karimnagar bricks offers several advantages. 1. Quality and durability. Karimnagar bricks are known for their high quality and durability, making them suitable for long-lasting construction projects. 2. Strength. These bricks have good compressive strength, providing stability and support to the structures they are used in. 3. Thermal insulation. Bricks from Karimnagar typically have good thermal insulation properties, helping to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. 4. Aesthetic appeal. They often have a pleasing appearance, adding to the overall aesthetic appeal of the construction project. 5. Availability. Karimnagar is a major brick-producing region, so these bricks are generally readily available, which can help in timely completion of construction projects. 6. Environmentally friendly. Bricks are made from natural materials like clay and shale, making them an environmentally friendly option compared to some other construction materials. Overall, using Karimnagar bricks can result in a well-built, aesthetically pleasing, and durable structure.